Oh, that's another fish. That's a good brown. That's a good brown. Dude, this is insane. This is insane. Are you kidding me? This is another big brown. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you guys seeing this? Oh my gosh. He's dark and he is, oh, big, another big male. Oh my gosh. Let's go, dude. Shupe Outdoors here. We're gonna take a trip down memory lane and catch some big browns on this stretch of the river. Stay tuned. A deep hole. I haven't been back here since I was a kid. That's good though. Ooh, what was that about? It was probably a snag. This hole looks dang good, man. I woke up this morning and was like, I want to catch a brown. So we ended up here at the river. I'm gonna see if we can get us a big brown or something. I'm gonna just work that calm stuff into that current. And there has to be fish sitting here. But this place has changed a lot, this area has, since I've been back in here. I know they did a lot of construction, put in a walking trail, Utah DWR, which is nice of them. More access, or easier access, should I say, to this spot. This is one of my more favorite spots, I'd say. Very, very nostalgic for me. I've been fishing this area since I can even remember I could hold a rod. This is where my dad would take me a lot. And I've caught some giant browns out of this stretch of the river. I remember when I was a kid fishing this one time. I was out here with my dad and he was fishing. Ooh. There's a fish. It's a good brown. Good brown. Ooh. Good brown right here. This is what I'm talking about. I got a little bit here. Sucks I left my net at Daggett County. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, I am shaking. I am shaking. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. I gotta get this fishing. I gotta get this fishing. That's what I'm talking about, buddy. That's a good brown. Oh, come here. Oh, you nailed it, dude. Oh my gosh, that's a male. That's a male. My feet get wet, whatever. Look at this fish everywhere. Oh my goodness. Look at this fish. Oh, look at that brown. Oh my goodness. Inhaled it. Inhaled it. I gotta get it out. So, look at this fish. First brown. Good old male. Look at this fish, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to get good looks for the camera. Oh, oh my pretty. First fish. And he's a giant. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go, dude. Oh my gosh. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what Shupe Outdoors is all about. Oh. That was a good fish. Telling you, you can't ever go wrong on a CD5 Rapala, dude. My adrenaline is going. Oh my goodness, guys. That was a good fish. That was a good fish. Oh my gosh. My heart is thumping. Woo. I'm telling you guys, if you guys don't do this often, you gotta try it. You gotta run these rivers once in a while. You never know what you're gonna catch. I know there's big rainbows and cutthroats on this stretch. That's what I was just casting in. So this is where bank access is gonna get a little tricky. Just because of all these willows and stuff. But this hole looks juicy and it is thick. But we can't pass this up. Yep. That's a good spot. Now essentially I could make it easier on myself and just bring my waders, but I don't really, like, even when I'm fly fishing, there's a fish. There's a fish. That's a good fish. And this is decent. I'm gonna take this bag off again. There we go. Guys, let's go, man. Oh, I knew we would hook up back in here. Not nearly as big. And guess what? This is a... Calm down, dude. Calm down. Okay, get this hook out. I want to show you guys. So it's a cutthroat. Beautiful cutthroat trout. Yeah, he's pretty. Pretty. Let's get him back. Oh, see ya, dude. There we go. One brown, one cutthroat. That's cool. Believe it or not, that's the first cutthroat I've caught off this stretch. That's freaking awesome. See if there's more in there. I want to say that was a Bonneville cutthroat. Correct me if I'm wrong. Just comment below and let me know. I get my cutthroat trout species mixed up a little bit. And it's more or less the Bear Lake cutthroats and the Bonneville cutthroats is what I mix up the most. But I'm pretty positive that was a Bonneville cutthroat. Again, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Oh, that's another fish. That's a good brown. That's a good brown. Dude, this is insane. This is insane. Are you kidding me? This is another big brown. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you guys seeing this? Oh my gosh. He's dark and he is, oh, big, another big male. Oh my gosh. Let's go, dude. I'm so juiced. This is one of the reasons why I do what I do. Okay, calm down, buddy. We'll get you unhooked. Not as big as the first one, but he's a good one. For sure. For sure. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Let's go. That's a cutthroat and a brown out of the same hole. Look at him. Look at you guys. Beautiful. Another male. He's getting that little hook jaw. I've caught 3 fish already. Let's put him down. There he goes. Let's go, dude. Trip down memory lane. I'm telling you. Pull that brown and cutthroat out of that hole. I'm gonna walk down. It's a freaking awesome morning. I'm telling you guys, look how thick this is to the bank access. Check this out. It just gets so thick with willows. And if you could find a way in through some thinner stuff, that's where you'll catch them fish. It's a fun day. Let's go, dude. Let's go. There's a hole. Let's try this out. This hole looks dang good. I mean, it's not wide right where I'm fishing, but dude, the hang downs on these willows, and it has some depth to it. It looks dang good. Has to be some fish sitting in there. Has to be. When you come on this side, this is where that split off connects. This is a new spot for me. I've never fished this spot before. This far down on this stretch. Like I said, I believe we weren't never able to because it was all no trespassing. I could be wrong though, but from last time I've been here, this is all new to me. Such a beautiful spot, man. Beautiful spot. Just kind of working. Just recall on all these little pond spots in here. If there could be fish sitting in every direction on a spot like that, that's a good fish. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, guys. Just like that. Just work these holes. Let him calm down a little bit, buddy. I'm so happy it's an overcast day. The sun ain't beating. It's not super hot. Let's go, dude. That's another decent brown. This is probably the prettiest of them all. Ugh, come here, buddy. We got you, friend. Might have to get the pliers for this one. Oh, got him again. Check him out, guys. Another male. So beautiful. Them red spots. Man. Oh. There you go. There you go. Yeah, he's gone. I was going to show you guys a good picture, but he gone. Let's go, dude. That's four trout so far. 3 browns, a cutthroat. That one was gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I caught him in this calm spot in front of me. Right here, if you guys can see. Just right here. Right at the bottom of them rocks in that little fall. But like I said, these fish can, on a stretch like this, these fish can be sitting in any direction because the water's flowing all different ways to meet up. Whew. Let's go, dude. This spot right here has changed a lot. Last time I was here, I kind of skipped past this spot. I didn't recognize it. So this tree last time I was here was alive and well and huge, but it's dead. And the reason I remember this spot and this little shallow stuff is where I've caught one of my biggest browns I've ever caught in my life, still to this date. It's crazy how much this has changed. It's pretty awesome. It's opened up a lot of new areas. Still get that big nostalgia feel from this too. That's gonna end it for this trip. We ended up catching 3 browns and 1 cutthroat trout. 2 really awesome browns, man. Super pumped about that. It's good to get back in here and fish. I'm gonna have to come back more often. I love this area and the stretch of the river. It's awesome. But I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and comment for more adventures. Thank you guys.